Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to the second episode of third chapter Public, Private and Global Enterprises. In the previous class, we had brief discussions on public, private and global enterprises. Today, we discuss the meaning of public sector companies and private sector companies. Basically, in Indian economy, there are three sectors. One is industries, agriculture, and last one is service sector. The first is agriculture, second one is industries, and the last one is agriculture. In all the sectors of the economy, I mean industries, agriculture and service sector, we see the participation of both public sector companies and private sector companies. Means here we discuss about two broad classifications or two broad categories in the companies. One is public sector, another one is private sector. Means two types of companies, public sector companies and another one private sector companies. So your public sector companies means the companies used to invest, run, operate and manage by state or central government is called public sector. Another one, private sector companies means the companies used to invest, start, control and managed by private people, means individuals or group of individual, called private sector companies. Now let us discuss public sector or public sector companies. So public sector companies means the companies controlled by state or central government of the country, called public sector. In public sector, there are three types of companies. Again, the public sector companies are broadly categorized, broadly divided into three types. One is departmental undertaking, statutory corporations, government companies. First one, departmental undertakings. So departmental undertaking, one of the types of public sector invested, started and controlled by the Ministry of Central Government is called departmental undertakings. Do remember students, departmental undertakings. The departmental undertakings used to start, invest, run and manage by ministries of central government or central government ministries. They start, they invest and they manage public departmental undertakings. Example, Indian Railway Department under the control of Railway Minister. Defense Department under the control of Defense Minister. Then Indian Railway Coach Department, Indian Postal Department, Information and Broadcasting Department. So these are the examples to departmental undertakings. Do remember, departmental undertakings are central government companies, control, investment, management and everything by Ministry of Central Government. Second one, statutory corporations. So statutory corporations are non-government, or these are not government companies. Statutory corporations are the companies used to establish by passing special act or bill or resolution at the parliament. So by passing special act, resolution or bill at the parliament, statutory corporations get the commencement of the business. So statutory corporations, the special type of business organizations, special type of companies. These are not related to departmental and not connected to government companies. Statutory corporations are special type of organizations because statutory corporations come into effect or come into existence or establishment by passing special act or bill at the parliament. Example, Reserve Bank of India, Life Insurance Corporation, Employee State Insurance Corporation, then KSRTC. So these are the suitable examples for statutory corporations. last one, government companies. See, government companies means where more than 51% of capital held or contributed or invested by state or central government in the name of president is called government company. So government, especially in government companies, state or central government invests more than 51% of capital. Such kind of companies called as government companies. Example: BEL, BHEL, BEML, BGML, BSNL, IOL, Indian Oil Corporation, OIL, Oil India Limited. So these are the suitable examples for government companies. Even in a government companies, based on the turnover, based on the turnover, there are three types of government companies: Maharatna companies, Navaratna companies, and Mini Ratna companies. Again, government companies are broadly categorized into three types. In knowledge point of view, let us come to know the three broad categories in a government companies. One is Maharatna, second one Navaratna, and last one Mini Ratna companies. So do remember, students, in Indian economy, three sectors, and Indian economy is mixed economy. Mixed economy means participation of both public sector companies and private sector companies. And in Indian economy, or all the sectors of Indian economy, we see the participation or existence of public sector companies and private sector companies. I mean, in India, there are so many companies. Some of the companies are public sector and some of the companies are private sector. Public sector means controlled by state or central government. Private sector means controlled by individual or group of individuals. Then types of public sector companies are examples to the public sector: department undertaking, statutory corporation, government companies. Department undertakings, central government companies under the control of central government ministers. Example: railway department, railway coach department, information and broadcasting department. Then defense, statutory corporations used to establish by passing special act or resolution at the parliament. Example: Reserve Bank of India, Life Insurance Corporation, Employee State Insurance, KSRTC. Last one, government companies, in which more than 51% of capital, where more than 51% of capital, the companies where more than 51% of capital held or invested by state or central government is called government company. Example: BEML, BHEL, BEL, Indian Oil Corporation, Oil India Limited. So these are the examples for government companies. Thank you, my dear students. Thanks for watching. Do share, subscribe, and comment.